welcome to our channel. Before we begin, I would like to say thank you so much for those who like and subscribe and share our videos, for watching our videos. Thank you so much, guys. And please don't forget to hit the red button below, and don't forget also to hit the notification bell.
Yeah, so that you will be notified when we produce our next video.
Guys, for today's video, may isi-share naman kami sa inyo na bagong topic. Itong topic na to, guys, ay kadalasan natatanong or na-experience natin mga vloggers. Marami yung nakaka-experience nito, marami yung nagtatanong kung bakit. So now, nag-research kami about sa ganyang question, about sa ganitong pangyayari para masagot namin ang inyong katanungan.
Have you ever noticed that if you try to subscribe to a person and you can't? I bet you've been wondering why you can't. Well, stay with us and we will share the information that we learned to you. Hi guys, welcome back. And you must be here because you want to know that burning answer of why you couldn't subscribe to that person.
Guys, sana panoorin niyo po ang aming video hanggang matapos kasi at the end of our video, may isi-share kami words of the day. And those words of the day, guys, is makakatulong sa inyo. Very important words of the day that we're gonna share you at the end of our video.
Oh yes, at the end of the video, we're going to give you some important information to help your channel.
Alright, so guys, our topic for today is all about subscribers.
Yeah, subscribers. One of the most important things is that you have to have subscribers. And sometimes you can't subscribe when you want to subscribe, and we have that answer why. You know, you might have received an error message that said too many subscriptions. Well, we're going to tell you the reason why that might have happened.
Guys, nararanasan mo na ba na mag-subscribe ka pero hindi ka na nakakapag-subscribe? A lot of vloggers asking this why they couldn't subscribe anymore. So guys, we're gonna share you the answer why you can't subscribe anymore, why you can't hit subscription button, why is that happen? And here's my co-host gonna explain you.
Here it is. Our information based on our research is YouTube indicates that you're only able to have 75 subscriptions per day. And the other factor, which is also a little confusing, but it is understandable, it also depends on the size of your channel. As your channel grows in subscription, so do the amount that you're allowed to get per day. So if we can maximum out at about 2,000 subscriptions per day. But that is based on if you have 2,000 subscribers already. So I guess the answer is that you're limited to only 75 subscriptions per day. And if you go over that, you will then get the error. That's where that error comes back, that you have too many subscriptions at that particular time, which will give you sort of like a timeout. And that timeout, then during that timeout, you can't add another subscriber to your channel.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ang ibig niyang sabihin is, guys, ang pinaka-limit natin sa isang araw na subscribers is 75 subscribers per day. Yun guys yung dapat nating tandaan. Bakit hindi ka na makapag-subscribe? Baka na-reach mo na yung limit na 75 per day. Or, however, pwede kang mag-subscribe more than 75 until 2,000 subscribers. Depende sa iyong channel. For example, yung channel mo ay more than 5,000 and up. Pwede ka mag-exceed sa 75 subscribers. Depende kasi doon sa laki ng subscribers mo. At saka depende doon kung matagal ka na sa larangan ng YouTube. But for us, as a small YouTubers, we have only qualified as 75 subscribers limit per day. Sana guys, may natutunan ulit kayo sa aming topic today. Sa mga nagtatanong dyan, sa mga nagwo-worry bakit hindi na siya makapag-subscribe, probably you reach the daily limit of your subscription.
Alright, and we want you to know that if you do reach your limit, just wait one extra day or so.
Exactly.
You know, the other thing is that you have to have patience. If a person subscribes to you and you want to subscribe back to them, wait a day. It doesn't have to be immediately subscribing right away. Give YouTube time to calculate what you have done and hit the person back in a day or two. So just have some patience and your subscriptions will grow. Here are some bonus information that will help your channel to grow.
Alright, we're gonna share you the words for today na hindi natin pwede gamitin sa comment section ng video ng ating napapanood, or we're not be able to use these words in the comment section of the videos that we watch. And number one words for today is subscribe. Guys, please don't use subscribe like, hey, I do subscribe you already, please subscribe me back. No, don't use that.
It's going to spam.
Alright? And number two,
don't say check my channel because that will end up in spam as well.
alright, number three, stay connected. Don't use that stay connected, guys. This goes to spam.
Spam it will go.
And number four,
Hug me and I will hug you back. That will end up in spam. Number five.
very short word, but please don't use this one. Nice. And number six,
Hit the red button or PhilAmerican button.
guys, beware. Hit the red button or pulang button. No.
No, it will go to spam. And number seven, honey, what will that be?
Numerical numbers. Like numerical numbers like, hi, I subscribe you I'm number 10. I'm number 500. Numerical numbers from 1 to thousands. Please don't use the numbers.
Yes, because that will also trigger it to go into spam.
And number 8,
Using emoji. If you use emoji in your comment as well, it's going to spam. So, if you say, I like that nice video with an emoji sign, it will trigger and go to spam.
you should write down the comment. Don't put like smiling face or smiling emoji. Whatever emoji, as long as emoji.
Or thumbs up.
No, that
Emoji.
goes to spam.
What's number 9?
Don't say support. Hey, I'm gonna support you. Please support me back. No.
No, it's going to spam.
And number 10, the last but not the least, co-host.
It is shout out to your friends or shout out to a friend. In a comment will trigger it to go to spam. You know, we noticed that these are some of the common 10 phrases that will get it to trigger and go to spam. You know, one time I looked at our spam and one day we had 109 go to spam. And in that were some of these that we mentioned to you today. So hopefully you will learn something about this process because we sure did. And so when we write our comments, well, she writes long ones, I write little shorter ones, but they both are pertaining to what we had viewed on that particular video. Honey, you know, we also have to hit a thumbs up. If you enjoyed that video, hit a thumbs up. And that gives that creator a good spot to be in when they're receiving thumbs up. It helps with the analytics part.
Okay guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa aming topic sa araw na ito. And please don't forget to leave me a comment below
Indicating if you enjoyed this video or leave us a comment indicating what question that you might have had in the past that you want us to answer. Because we'll do the research to get the answer for you on our next video.
Thank you for watching our videos.
Because without you, it wouldn't be us. And we would like to say, be well and take care of one another. And we will see you at the next
Video coming.
Yes.